I'm Katie, and this is Catherine and Andrew, and we're doing the synthesis essay.
In the synthesis essay, what you're doing is you're taking a person's statement and either defending or refuting it. You're given 6 to 10 documents to help you do so. The first 15 minutes, you're given to analyze the documents and really pick out which ones you're going to use to help support your main idea. Then you're given 40 minutes to actually write the essay. This doesn't leave very much time for an outline, so if you're planning on writing one, you're going to want to make it quick and simple.
In the essay, you're going to want to read over the prompt first and make sure you have a really good understanding of what it's asking of you. So you're going to want to refute or defend the stance that it wants, one of the stances it wants you to take. And to do this, you want to start out by writing a thesis sentence. In the thesis sentence, it's kind of like your roadmap, and it'll kind of guide the rest of your essay. Make sure this is really strong in order to have a good score. The main ideas or the main paragraphs are going to be filled with supporting details from the documents you get, and really just make sure that these are strong details and that you're backing up your stance that you took in the thesis. Finally, the conclusion will finish out your essay and just make sure everything comes to a nice close. People that write their conclusions generally have a higher score on this, and it's just recommended.
We have a couple visual examples to help show you why supporting details are so important for the main idea.
So our first visual is the stack of cups, and the top cup would represent the main idea, and then the bottom cups would represent your supporting details and the documents that you use to support your main ideas. So when you take out one of your supporting details or one of your documents that you're using, it kind of like causes the whole main idea to collapse, and it's not very effective to not support your documents.
Hey, Vern!
The next visual we have is using water balloons.
Going well. How
The
we
water
doing?
balloons themselves are representing the main idea. We have one filled with just water, or with just air, and one filled with water. The one with air is to represent a main idea that does not have any supporting details or documents. So when you pop it, nothing happens. It's not very effective. There's no water getting everywhere because there's, like the main idea, there's no supporting details or documents. But when you pop a main idea that is filled with something, lots of supporting details and documents, water gets everywhere and it's very effective. So when you're writing your body paragraphs, make sure you're using lots of supporting details and documents to help make your main idea really effective.
Make sure you're not summarizing the documents though, because this will generally lead to a lower score than what you could have had by synthesizing them.
So in conclusion, when you're writing your synthesis essay, make sure that you really analyze the prompt and have a clear understanding of it, and analyze the documents really well, and use as many as you can to help defend or refute the person's statement. And make sure you're writing a conclusion that ties it all together. Thank you.